Morning. My name is Diana Avila. I am from sanding department. We are looking forward for sponges when we are needing them and they are in a not good shape. So we have to sand here and here. If it's no longer good, then we have to go all the way. This way, please follow me. All the way through here, and then grab a sponge and take all the way back through here, and then start doing our job. So in a step of doing all that motion, don't stop in something. Since we have this box here where you put the doors, don't start in opening this box, and ta-da! This is the shortest way that you can get your sponge. So if you are sanding from here and then it's no longer good, then you just go down like a sponge, and then you don't have to wait time plus motion. Thank you.